প্রত্যেকে আমার চ্যানেলে তোমাদের যে কন্টিনিউ এসএসসি জিডি এক্সাম চালু হয়েছে, তো সেই এসএসসি জিডি এক্সামের যে 18 নভেম্বর থেকে 22 নভেম্বর যে সমস্ত জিকে এবং কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের কোয়েশ্চেন পড়েছিল, সেই সমস্ত কোয়েশ্চেনের কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কোয়েশ্চেন আমি এই ভিডিওতে ডিসকাস করব। তো প্রত্যেকে বলবো ভিডিওটি প্রথম থেকে শেষ পর্যন্ত দেখার জন্য, এবং দেখে ভালো লাগলে অবশ্যই বন্ধুদের মধ্যে ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করে দেবেন, লাইক করবেন এবং অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন আপকামিং বিভিন্ন এক্সামের সলিউশন দেখার জন্য। সো আসছি কোয়েশ্চেন, when was the battle of Boxer fought? So remember 22nd October 1764 the battle of Boxer was fought. Next question number 2, Ranji Trophy is associated with which game? So largely regional in nature, the Ranji Trophy can be summed up as a domestic first class cricket series played by various regional teams against one another. So remember, Ranji Trophy is associated but related with cricket. Next question, in which year did India become a member of UNO? So 13 October 1945 year India become as a member of UNO, means United Nations Organization. Next question number 4, Dandiya is a popular dance of which state? So state of Gujarat. So Gujarat Dandiya is a popular dance of Gujarat states. Next question number 5, who is the first Prime Minister of Pakistan? So first Prime Minister of Pakistan name was Liaquat Ali Khan, 1947 to 1951. Next question, in which field first received the Nobel Prize in India? So Rabindranath Tagore, Nobel Prize for Literature 1930. Way back in 1930, when India was still a British colony chilo, Rabindranath Tagore put India on the world map by winning the country's first Nobel Prizes. Next question, which instrument is used to measure earthquake? So seismographs are instrument used to record the motion of the ground during the earthquake. So answer is earthquake measurements name is seismograph. Next question, who discovered blood circulated? So William Harvey, which discovered blood circulated and the discovery of circulation of the blood. Next question number 9, which vitamin is known as calciferol? So a unique aspect of vitamin D is also called as or known as calciferol. Next question number 10, how did the Gupta dynasty started? So Chandragupta I, King of India, reigned 320 to 330 EC and founder of the Gupta Empire. Remember this. Next question, what is the chemical name of baking soda? So sodium hydrogen carbonate, that is the chemical name of baking soda. Next question, what is the capital of Germany? So capital of Germany name is Berlin. This is, remember, very important question. Next question, who is the Iron Man of India? So Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who is known as Iron Man of India, and remember his birth and anniversary. Lesser known fact about the Iron Man of India. Next question, when did First World War start? So remember 28 July 1940 to 11 November 1990, that is the real time of First World War. And remember, this is Second World War, 1st September 1932 2nd September 1945 Second World War were held. Next question, who wrote the book My Experiments with Truth? So Mahatma Gandhi or M.K. Gandhi, who wrote the book My Experiment with Truth. Next question, Kaziranga National Park is located in which state? So remember, Kaziranga National Park is located in Assam state. Next question, Article 280 is related to? So remember, the Finance Commission is constituted by the President under Article 280 of the Constitution. So the answer is Article 280 is related to the Finance Commission. Next question, Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog in which year? So on 1st January 2015 years, Planning Commission was replaced by Niti Aayog. And how that is, remember, a cabinet resolution was passed to replace the Planning Commission with the newly formed Niti Aayog. This is, remember, Niti Aayog full form, National Institute for Transforming India. This is very, very important. Always remember, National Institution for Transforming India. Union Government of India announced the formation Niti Aayog on 1st January 2015 years. Next question, Ghumar is a folk dance of which state? So Ghumar is a folk dance of Odisha states. Next question, who among the following is the 21 Lieutenant Governor of Delhi? So remember, Sri Anil Balaji took over as the 21 Lieutenant Governor of NCT, অর্থাৎ লেফটেন্যান্ট গভর্নর অফ দিল্লি। ডিউরেশন হচ্ছে 13 ডিসেম্বর 2016 হি ওয়াজ অ্যাপয়েন্টেড। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, দ্য কেদারনাথ টেম্পল ওয়াজ বিল্ড বাই? সো রিমেম্বার, কেদারনাথ টেম্পল ওয়াজ বিল্ড বাই আদি শঙ্করাচার্য। নেক্সট কোশ্চেন, গোদাবরী রিভার অরিজিনেটস ফ্রম হুইচ স্টেট? সো গোদাবরী রিভার হুইচ ইজ originated from Maharashtra states. Next question, what is Sri Lanka's largest city? So Sri Lanka's largest city is Colombo. Population, remember, 4,648,034 people. Next question, who is known as Grand Old Man of India? So remember, Grand Old Man of India is known by Dadabhai Naoroji. This is, remember. Next question, what is Sri Lanka's largest city? So Colombo. Next, who is the CEO of Niti Aayog? So Sri Amitabh Khan is currently the CEO of Niti Aayog. Next question, what is the scientific name of peacock? So remember, scientific name of peacock is Pavo cristatus, Pavocrisstatus, cristatus. Next question, what is called beauty vitamin? Remember, vitamin E can help keep your skin youthful and nourished. It can erase time, but it has the potential to slow down its effect, and that is why vitamin E is called. So remember, this is the right answer is vitamin E is called beauty vitamin. Next question, what is Article 93 of Indian Constitution? So remember, the Speaker and Deputy Speaker of the Houses of People, that is the article of 19th of Indian Constitution. Next question, what is the smallest bone in human body? So remember, the femur is smallest bone in human body. Next question, study of birds is called? So remember, always study of bird is called ornithology. Next question, Chand Minar is located in which state? So Chand Minar is located in Maharashtra states. Next question, limestone, chalk and marble are different forms of? So remember, limestones and chalk and marble are different from of calcium carbonate, CaCO3. Next question, Boxer Tiger Reserve is located in? So Boxer Tiger, which is located in West Bengal. Next question, what do people in a democratic country expect from the government? So remember, people in a democratic country expect the government to work for their welfare. This is, remember, very, very important. Next question, who won the 2018 Football World Cup? So France national football team. Who was won the 2018 Football World Cup? Next question, the light of Asia is also known as? So remember, Gautam Buddha is known as the light of Asia. Next question, Swami Dayanand Saraswati is related to? So remember, Swami Dayananda Saraswati, who is the founder of the Arya Samaj. Next question, Baitarkanika National Park, that we call Bhitarkanika National Park, is located in which state? So Kendrapara district in Odisha in eastern India. Bhitarkanika or Baitarkanika National Park is located. Next question, what is the smallest bone in human body? So femur, which is the smallest bone in human body. Next question, when is Hindi Divas celebrated in India? So September 14, year to commemorate the adoption of Hindi in the Devanagari script as one of the official language of the nation. So remember, Hindi Divas celebrated in India September 14 in every year. Next question, Kuchipudi is the dance form of which state? So state of Andhra Pradesh, Kuchipudi is formed. Next question, who is the present Union Health Minister of India 2021? Remember, the current Union Health Minister is Mansukh L. Mandavia. Next question, Neeraj Chopra is related to which sports? So remember Neeraj Chopra, who is an javelin throw player. Guys, remember, here are some athletes and their medals name. Remember this is very, very important. So first, javelin throw, Neeraj Chopra, medal gold. Next, wrestling 57 kg, Ravi Kumar Dahiya, won silver. Next, weightlifting 49 kg women, Mirabai Chanu, who is a winner of silver. Next, women's single badminton, PV Sidhu, bronze. Next, women's welterweight boxing, Lavnina Borgohain, won bronze. Next, hockey, Indian hockey team, bronze. Next, wrestling 65 kg, athletes Bajrang Punia, who is the winner of bronze. Next question, 2022 Oscar nominated movies from India. So remember, debutant director P.S. Vinod Raj film Kojangal Pebble has been announced as India's official entry to the Oscar 2020. Next question, what is the scientific name of vitamin E? So remember, scientific name of vitamin E is tocopherol. Next question, what is the capital of Bhutan? So remember, Bhutan capital name is Thimphu. Next question, who is the present Chief Justice of India? Remember, N.V. Ramana, who is the present Chief Justice of India. Next question, which countries are connected through Bandhan Express? So India and Bangladesh, which are connected through Bandhan Express. Next question, establish of NABARD. Remember, 1982 years NABARD was established. Next question, who is UNESCO 39 and 40 Navigate site? So Rudheshwara Temple and Dholavira, which is the 39 and 40 Navigate site. সো গাইস, এই ছিল কিছু গুরুত্বপূর্ণ জিকে এবং কারেন্ট অ্যাফেয়ার্সের কোয়েশ্চেনের সলভ 18 নভেম্বর থেকে 22 নভেম্বর 2021 সালে এসএসসি জিডি এক্সামের সলিউশন। সো ভিডিওটি ভালো লাগলে, উপকৃত হলে অবশ্যই বন্ধুদের মধ্যে ভিডিওটি শেয়ার করে দেবেন, লাইক করবেন এবং অবশ্যই চ্যানেলটিকে সাবস্ক্রাইব করে রাখবেন। আপকামিং বিভিন্ন এক্সামের ক্ষেত্রে এগুলি খুবই গুরুত্বপূর্ণ কোয়েশ্চেন। সো প্রত্যেককে অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ এবং নমস্কার।